BenQ is back with this bloody gaming monitor at a sweet price point, and then another monitor not really offering at this price point. It's me, Jimmy Agik. Subscribe to my channel BenQ RL2455HM. Basically, I include the link in the description box, but just click and then you can just read the full stupid name. I don't know why the hell monitor has so stupid name. Basically, there's so many monitor out here, so they always have to go with some kind of numbering. Stupid weird with the alphabet. Okay, enough with that. Let's start the review of this monitor. Basically, BenQ 24 inches a LED monitor, and then the best part of this monitor is it has some kind of a technology which only few monitors implementing. Basically, it's a BenQ. I don't know, it's a priority basically technology, or I mean anybody can use. I'm not sure about that, but the technology is called zero flicker technology. You will be saying, Jimmy, what's the big deal? Normally in a LED monitor, LCD monitor, we never have any flickering problem. We always have that in the CRT big fat ass monitor. If the rate was below 72 megahertz, I mean basically the refresh rate, we start to see the flickering light and then we feel dizzy. The flickering basically mean the screen need to refresh. I mean, for example, there is a one man holding a gun on the screen, for example, in a Call of Duty, like this. And another screen to refresh, and then he moved the gun to you. That is called flickering. So I mean, if the flickering rate is low, basically I mean your eyes start to feel hurt. Sometimes you even didn't notice, I mean, but sometimes you can. It's not a good thing for your health, plus for your gaming experience. That's called flickering. Basically in easy word, it need to print the screen. But in the LCD monitor, I mean, it print instantly. I mean, we never can see it. But in a quick action game, there are a lot of bullets are firing. I mean, a quick action happens sometimes. The screen flicker or the ghosting start to happen basically. So I mean, to deal with that, BenQ have basically implemented zero flicker technology on it. I mean, it's really good. Basically, I'm not a hardcore gamer. Yeah, I game sometime. Not much. Basically, I play only my favorite game, Skyrim. That's all. In Skyrim, there never will be a freaking progress. Skyrim action is not so, I mean, intense compared to the Call of Duty or I mean any kind of fast action-paced game. There are a lot of bullets are firing. I mean, so basically, I mean, it's a good monitor, and then you will be thinking, I mean, what is the downside? The downside is that it's best bang for money. I mean, plus it has a good, I mean, basically design, and the second thing is a 1 millisecond response time compared to the Asus. I forgot, I just clicked the video here. I have even reviewed that monitor that have 2 millisecond response time. That response time mean how basically, I mean, it gonna basically print the image on the screen. How is the response? It is a technical term. Basically, one millisecond response time is better than 2 milliseconds. Just go with that. So it means it's really fast. I mean, this monitor only designed for the gaming. I would say we are pro gamer, if a web developer, web designer, BenQ RL245HM is not basically for you. Yeah, you can use. I'm not saying, but they are not targeting it. Basically, BenQ RL245HM basically, they are just targeting gamer. I will say the Asus. I mean, click this video here. I forgot the model number, whatever it was called. Even I include the link of that video. Basically, I mean, that monitor basically have a problem. It have a wobbly stand. I mean, and a 2 millisecond response time. If you wanna ask me which monitor should we buy, I will say just go with BenQ. I will just say that it's the best bang for money. To be honest with you, what else left to say? I mean, it has 2 HDMI ports. I mean, everything you need in a gaming monitor. I mean, it's at a really sweet price point, only around at $200 basically. Who the hell need anything else right now? It's really good. I mean, 1080p display. I mean, 2 HDMI headphones, JDV, all the connectors out. I mean, which basically expect. I would strongly recommend it, and then you can click the link, I mean, to check the price. I mean, the price will change every day nearly. Just click the link, I mean, and just buy it. I will just say that I strongly recommend it. Subscribe and bye bye. If you have any question about this monitor, leave in the comment box below. Bye bye.